Good day everyone, my name is Jenny G. Pugoy and today I'll be reporting about quasars. So what is a quasar? A quasar can be defined as an extremely active galactic nucleus. An AGN is nothing more than a supermassive black hole that is active in feeding at the center of a galaxy. They are extremely bright and sometimes mistaken for stars. However, the energy output of a star is nowhere near the amount of energy pumped out by a quasar. The word quasar originates from the contraction of quasi-stellar, which references a star-like radio source. When they were first identified in the 1950s, they were identified as a source of radio wave emission with unknown physical origins. Formation of a quasar. A black hole is a region in space that has such a high gravitational force that not even light can escape it. The black hole at the center of a quasar has a mass that is usually millions or billions of times a solar mass. A solar mass can be defined as the mass of our Sun, which is 1.998 times 10 raised to the power of 30. Ongoing research is still trying to explain how these supermassive black holes have come into existence. At the center of a quasar is a black hole surrounded by a large rotating cloud of gas. This cloud of gas is called the accretion disk, and the black hole feeds on this disk. As the gas falls into the black hole, it is heated up to millions of degrees. The gas emits thermal radiation due to such extreme heat. The thermal radiation emitted makes a quasar uniquely bright, both in the visible and X-ray region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Properties of quasars. To understand the properties of a quasar, we first need to understand a very important concept known as the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum gives us the range of frequencies of different electromagnetic waves and their respective wavelengths. There are different electromagnetic wave regions based on their frequency, such as UV, X-rays, visible light, and infrared, just to name a few. Usually, most of the studies conducted on quasars are based on their spectral properties. Quasars are known to emit electromagnetic radiation, which lies between the visible and X-ray regions. They also emit large amounts of ultraviolet waves. Certain quasars even emit radio waves. This is very rare, however, and only 10% of all the quasars that have been studied are able to emit such waves. Quasars exhibit unique observable optical phenomena known as gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing occurs when there is a large amount of space or a celestial body, for example a galaxy or black hole, between the observer and the object, in this case a quasar, and it tends to bend and distort the light. This creates multiple images of the same object. Quasars are used to help align telescopes correctly to observe a galaxy. If multiple images of the quasar occur, it implies that the alignment is not right. However, when the quasar and galaxy are in perfect alignment with the observer's eye, an Einstein ring is formed. They also exhibit one more unique property known as redshift. Redshift is a phenomenon that occurs when the wavelength of light increases on the electromagnetic spectrum. A quasar usually depicts a cosmological redshift. This is an indication that the universe is expanding and that there is a relative increase in distance that the light must travel. That is the end of my reporting. I hope that you have learned about the formation and properties of a quasar. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day ahead.